Mwasiba muta abampulikize muliho mulire muta mwasiba muta abandi muraza kunyama abandi no mwimuka mukama simwe kumura mucyahurire nanyi nagaruka kubahereza amazina mwene burejeya Kafuru hano yo mu studio za kuna matata muri muta message ni yanangwe zo mu Western Uganda obulengi gwizoba bwa Uganda na munonga omubasigazi Aliyonshonga yintwire nindeba omulimbarara nkajireba ho mwako guhweire njira ndagireba mwako gumpa konka tindamanya nenchi ekiriwo ubanze mwawuli kizogo mukazi
Helen Kamwine, the resident city commissioner Mbarara. We are at CPS Police Central in Mbarara City after we had arrested in a gang of people who are being conned and brought that pretending that they are going to give them jobs. You have heard the testimonies. That's why I called the press to be part of the team that is going to fight corruption here. They deceive them. You have heard the stories. You can play the stories. You can pick the testimonies. They deceive them that they are going to get jobs. When they reach here, they tell them it's network marketing. And network marketing is a process of conning. You recruit. After I've been recruited, I recruit others. And when they pay, that's when I get commission. But the testimonies we've had, we have seen people who have been here more than a year, and they have never earned as they are promised that the pay will be indefinite. Infinite. They have never received that money. It is basically thuggery. It is causing criminality in town. The insecurity we are facing in town is as a result of this gang who are starving, who want to go back home, and they can't access money to take them back home. So I want to warn the landlords who are keeping such a gangs in their homes, in their houses, that we are going to arrest them because they are supporting criminality. I also want to warn the LOCs. You remember when I was in Katete, I told the LOCs to register their people so that we know each household has how many people and how are they living. Now, yesterday we did an operation in a few places, and this is just the beginning of the operation. We are going to operate, and each LOC where we get such a gangs, the LOCs must make statements, and the landlords must come and tell us how they have been feeding such a people, how they benefit from the racket of criminality.
Mwabihulira hati ekintu ekyo is a hidden agenda abokuba noleba RDC nagamba hali ba landlords nibo baza kugira ki nibo baza kukwata abo kunaka kubika abo bana aba babeta gangs. Those are not gangs. Abona bana bita bali kuterera amasimu umwije tumbaha emirimo obundi no muzeira akacontributinga sente zo kwachi abana abo bagende bakoreki bagende barebe emirimo ko kweri kushwa emirimo yona Museveni akajigabira bawabo amafactory akageita buli kimwe echa ni employing aba Ugandans akachita. So omuntu orgenyima yekintu ekyo aratekwa kuba ariyo muntu aryo mu government kandi omuntu ogwe orgenyima ekintu ekyo timurenda mazima aratekwa kuba aryo munyarwanda habo kuba kuraryo indigenous Ugandans kuli bamukwasire. Imwe murenda kwata ba landlord habwenshi mutarakwata abo bakama ba syndicate ejo bakoni manyabo habwenshi mutarabakwata mukabotwereka habwenshi mutarabakwata mukabagamba amazina. This is too much. ngo mwana abamwe bamaziro n'imyaka umwaka gwona nkatandika kuburirira ejo ni sabotage eyaba youth eyeminyeto omuri Western Uganda kandi hati hari umuhara wunareba bamwire Ajumani. That's West Nile. Abanya Uganda kumurabe mutegendeseriza abanyarwanda. Abanyarwanda baraza kuba kuminayizinga abana banyu ebifukire. Abanyarwanda baraza kwita abana banyu. Abanyarwanda baraza kubiha abana internal organs. Ebyo munde bihaha ebitigune mitima. Baraza kubitwara. Umuntu baraza kumujya ngo tuchecking eshagama manyatu yenda kuko murimo mawe yenda kuzakaye ari habo babiri baratwara ngo baraza kubaho bwa hair host ubwo koro munyonyi. Abo nabo abarugwe baragamba n'ibyo amani. Abazire mwegendeserize umuntu oroza ko mwana wa umurimo no wogwe mpaho mureme kusindika abana. Murime kusindika abana umumesho genya meshwa. Abantu ba Museveni bazoira mesho. Kine kintu cyo barendeza Uganda kirungi. Barareba ngo bwebembezi bwabo buri mu kugenda. Hati ebibi byona barenda ngo basigare babikora abanya Uganda. Museveni arenda ngo asige Uganda yagize ko mwitaka. Kurara kibasa. Kurara kibasa n'abanya Uganda kasigire yaba furura yaba twara hasigaramwe abantu beye. Konkecho nicyo cyamuremire. So abazire mwegendeserize nimwe abana umuntu atafuka cyakuza kutera isi ngo araza ko umurimo utaramanye yoratora. Mwegendesereze na munonga abantu bwito mu Western Uganda. Kali mwe bari munonga. Ndareba Katemba wa nankogu wa Museveni na already opposition manyarukwago bamureto mu court manyarukwago bamvunana treason. Rero mwe edi mutwo baresire bavunanire ngo akibe shweta akijara henyera racumbagira nengaro bazitemire. Wareba rukwago nko kuyisha muremwe kutuzana zanira mutwe ejo nizo game muzi Museveni atwira arazana. Konka Museveni hati washangire turareba tukakwega turakumanya aho ratora. So mwegendeserize narebera kashwani ko muhara uragamba ureta amazina government name omunyarwanda eine passport ya Uganda areta Rubega no lini Rubega uromanya ngo mukazi aryo mu byapono areta munankeji izina ryo kweguza areta ngo ni Laxlove niwo kuzo munankejo mugugo kamugogolinga konkare tamazina ga Uganda eine na passport ya Uganda barabiha Rwanda babalete kunu yabatunge passport wagenda mu kuza kukore bihagaro monseza hero barashisha izina rya Uganda barashisha passport ya Uganda ejo niko Museveni akoze sizihanga gitu kubi okwo niko Museveni arenda ngo agende yashishi hanga gitu urashwa ngo niwe yali bumbire. So Ugandans mubeke ya furu nebintu nkebyo mpaho. Museveni amazire kushenya amajuga abantu. Museveni amazire kushenya business z'abantu. Abandize kubinga abantu munankeje. Ngo hatarenda kwimmunizinga abanya bwanyu hari busha. Omarwaro hatari mubazi. Ngo arenda kunanka kujeme ebikoko byanyu. Entenembuzi nempuno. Obwa engudo kwatakazi jemaga omushijo gwe mwegendesereze echera planingira Uganda ni kibi munonga urareba mutaba nibyo arakoza Museveni amwemerero mu mugongo enyimati Museveni amwemerero mu mugongo ogwe niwe Museveni wanshanju na omuri shanju niwe Museveni wo muri kinana obu yaruka Tanzania kija akakora dangerous mission in Uganda. That is the real Museveni. Museveni hata kwarebire twamwe chikomesho arena ngo abikore jubajuba